Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to connect the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. So to connect the Bluetooth headphones to this watch, you will need, of course, Bluetooth headphones. I have a pair with me, the Sony's headphones right here, and I'm gonna try to connect them to our watch. And to connect the headphones to the watch, first we need to enter the pairing mode on our headphones. So I'm gonna enter the pairing mode on the headphones. Okay, the headphones are in the pairing mode. You can see by the blinding light right here, or rather not blinding but blinking, my bad. So once you enter the pairing mode on your headphones, wake up the screen on your watch, then press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, then find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, and once it is, it will start looking for the nearby devices and it should detect your headphones because they're in pairing mode, so there should be detectable. So select your headphones from the list, and after a couple of seconds it should connect to them. And once it says connected, it means that your headphones are connected to your watch. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect Bluetooth headphones to this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.